Want to change your TikTok account's email address? I'm here to help. Updating your email will boost your account security and make recovery easier. Follow these simple steps to update your TikTok email on your Android phone. First, open up the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Account. Next, tap Account Information. Then tap Email. Now tap Change Email. Enter your new email address here and then hit Continue. Now TikTok will send a 6-digit verification to your new email address. Enter the code here. After that, your TikTok email address will be changed. So that's how you change your TikTok email address on Android. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like if it was. Thanks for watching.